Alright, so the bodywork is off. First thing first, I might strike a Frank Triumph. Not too difficult to do, quite simple. So well done to Triumph for that. I can make it simple and not like that one. The problem I realised is with that one, it kind of has the item just staring you in the face, or likes to mock you and show you that you can't get to it unless you remove a massive load of other bits. But initial inspection's good. Most of the wiring looks okay, and same again, hats off to Triumph because they've put some kind of good protection over the loom. One possible cause I need to investigate over, you can see it down there. That little clip there is penetrating into there, down there. Whether that's actually penetrating or not, I don't know yet because I can't see. But deeper looks, most of it looks good, apart from for some reason. You see it, there's just loads of old grease in there, and maybe at its time it was good, but now I'm sure over here it's a bit of a problem because it's all in there as well, and it's actually covering the contacts. It's making a mess of all the contacts. Pull that back in. Same here. The grease is just all over the contacts, which isn't exactly good. So that's going to need cleaning out. And even now, you can see as well, I don't feel like pick it up, it's all in there as well. And I think that might be a cause of a slight problem because they're not making much contact. Heat grip connectors, they aren't too pretty. I think one's kind of broken. I'll need to in a second and show it. There we go. Pick it up. Got a bit of a break there, but it's not too bad. Yeah, initial inspection's okay. I'm just gonna have to degrease a lot of it. There's some connectors there which look a bit dirty down there, but we'll get to them. But yeah, maybe the fuse box. It's not covered in grease, not too bad. Just needs a good clean up though. Yeah, that's my main concern, is this grease that seems to be packed into it. And it's just actually covering all the contacts, it's all in there. I'm guessing it's dielectric grease, and the problem is, yeah, you can put dielectric grease on it, but nowadays it's covering the actual contacts to the point it can't probably make a contact, so we don't get them cleaned out. Till next time.